Hello, my name is Sandeep and today we are going to see a basic Java program. This is my first exercise and here's the question. A man decides to buy a nice horse and he pays $60 for it and he's very content with the strong animal. After a year, the value of the horse has increased to $70. So now the value of the horse is $70 and then he decides to sell the horse. However, already a few days later he regrets his decision to sell the beautiful horse and then he buys it again. So now, unfortunately, he has to pay $80 to get back it. So the loss now is $10. After another year of owning the horse, he finally decides to sell the horse again, and then it goes for $90. So this particular thing we have to develop in a Java program, and we have to make the overall profit shown in the output. Now let's check the code for this program. Yeah, this is my code and this is package horse. I have created a package called horse and import java.util.asterisk. This is used so that we can import everything which we have in which we have scanner class and every other thing. And now public class sample, this is the sample class which we have made, uh, so, sample class, and then public static void main. This is the main function, and in the main function we have to give string and args, and then the program starts. This is the scanner s equal to new scanner and of system.in. This is used so that we can use the we can get the information from the one who is giving the input, and then we can calculate and then we can give the output. Now int n is an integer type variable which I have declared here, and then system.out.println. System.out.println is used to print the line which we have given. This is the line, enter the cost of the horse. This will be printed in the output. Okay, then int a equal to s dot next int. Here s is the scanner which we have created here, and that is given in the integers, so we should give int a equal to s dot next int, and then the scanner function starts. Like, we can get the input from the user, and then we can calculate and display the answer. Now I have taken b, c, d and p as integer variables to calculate the logic of the given question. B is equal to a plus 10. Here we have taken a plus 10 because the cost of the horse after 1 year is increased to $10. So that is stored in the B. And then D, the cost of the horse which he have owner have sold plus $10. That is, for the next year it becomes so. And then C equal to D plus 10, where D is the above one. D is the amount again owned by the owner. So this calculates the value of horse after 1 year, and at last, after all these consecutive years, then we have to give the profit gained by the owner. That is, we should subtract the last value from the first value which owner have sold the horse, and then we get the output of the the profit of the owner. Let's check the profit. Yeah, now my program is asking to enter the cost of the horse. Let's enter 60. Yeah, now here you can see cost of the horse after 1 year is 70. Yeah, every year it increases by $10, and then again the horse is owned by the owner. That is the same thing above, and the horse is owned by the owner for the second time is 80, and again is 90. So every time it is increasing by 10. Okay, then to calculate the profit we have to see this one, 90 minus 70, last one minus the first one. That is, when he gets back the horse, and how much he sold the horse, that is 90 minus 70, we get the answer 20. Yeah, so hence my output is correct. Thank you.